In a village, there lived a young boy who was very talkative. He would always speak big words and tell everyone about himself. He would say things like, "I am like this, I like that. These are my qualities, these are my plans." He constantly kept informing everyone about his future plans. He would speak with great wisdom, and if he had to work hard at any task, he would praise himself a lot and tell everyone how much effort he put in, how much pain he endured, seeking people's sympathy and admiration. Every time, he would try to show how hard he was working. If someone praised him or he achieved a little success in some work, he would go around telling everyone about it. He felt the need to give his opinion and advice to everyone. Whether someone asked for it or not, he would start giving advice without even listening to the problem. He often thought about what others might be thinking about him. He felt like everyone's eyes were on him and everyone was thinking about him. So he always tried to appear good in people's eyes and make everyone happy. He agreed with everyone and was always available for them, which made people not take him seriously. Most of the time, he would gossip with his friends, procrastinate, get into unnecessary arguments, and simply waste his time. He often prioritized useless tasks and tried to fit important ones into the remaining time. Because of this, he was never able to succeed in any work till date. But gradually, over time, he began to feel that he was wasting his life. This way, he would neither be able to fulfill his dreams nor achieve anything significant in life. He tried many times to stop his habit of talking too much and procrastinating, but after a few days, he would return to his old habits. As time passed and he grew older, he started worrying about his future. He couldn't figure out what he should do to bring about a change in himself and fulfill his dreams. But one day, through a friend, he heard about a wise Mahatma who was very intelligent and knowledgeable. With his wisdom and knowledge, he easily solved people's big problems. Though his words could be a bit harsh and bitter at times, those who followed his advice would see their lives change. The boy thought that maybe Mahatma Ji had the solution to his problem, and with this hope, he went to see Mahatma Ji early the next morning. Just by sitting near Mahatma Ji, he felt relaxed and at peace, and he sensed there was something special about him. He bowed to Mahatma Ji and started explaining his problem, how he couldn't control his tongue and ended up sharing all his secrets and future plans with everyone, how he kept trying to please people all the time and couldn't say no to anyone, how he had big dreams but wasted his time on useless talks and laziness. There were many more things he told Mahatma Ji. After listening to everything attentively, Mahatma Ji said, "The more you expose yourself and your life to others, the more likely it is that you will never be able to achieve anything big in your life. If you do not impose limits on your time and presence and allow anyone to meet you, talk to you, or call you at any time, then what you could achieve in 6 months may take you many years. Life is very short, and the most important thing is that in this short life, a few years of your youth are the most precious. Managing time means managing your energy, your life force, and you cannot do anything meaningful by scattering your life force here and there in pieces. If you truly want to achieve something big in life, you will have to disappear from the world for some time. It has happened to every person who has disappeared from this world for some time. Then some miracle has happened in their life. There is a whole process of cutting yourself off from the world and transforming yourself into a different person. This process has 5 stages or rules, which we will understand very deeply, and if you fail to grasp even one of these rules, then your transformation will be incomplete, and you may regret it for the rest of your life. Mahatma Ji continued to share more insights, and the boy, inspired by Mahatma Ji's words, decided to detach himself from the world and work on becoming a new person. He thanked Mahatma Ji for his guidance and left with a renewed determination. Friends, I hope you learned a lot from this story. If you liked it, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you.